Hey guys, welcome back to Marco and Me Vlogs. This vlog is going to be very rushed. It is bandana Friday. We have our bandanas. We haven't put them on because she just had a bath. I just had a shower in Wang. It's going to be such a rushed day today because we have to do a load of cans. I've got an appointment back in Myrtleford, so it's going to be very rushed and stressful today. Izzy's asleep. The cutest thing happened. We got out to get cans and bottles and stuff, and then I left Marco and Izzy in the car, but Marco was in the front and Izzy was in the back. And then when I opened the door, Marco had jumped over there and she was laying in the back seat with Izzy. They were both laying there. It was so cute. But then Marco got excited because I opened the door, and then she got up, and as she got up, she knocked Izzy off the seat.
Do you like my new haircut?
And he got a new haircut. But yeah, I'm not too sure how long this vlog's gonna be, and it's gonna be very rushed.
And I'm gonna watch my movie now.
Because it's gonna be kind of stressful, so. But she looks like a little rat. She's all wet still. And as soon as she's all dry, I'm gonna put her little pink harness back on. See? It's new! It is! It's new! She's sad because I made her have a shower. She's angry at me. Aren't you? Are you angry, Marco? She's cleaning herself now.
Whoa.
Shut up.
No.
Hello, Marco. Look at all these cans and bottles.
Yeah,
Hi, Marco.
I saw.
Guess what I just did? Don't bite my phone. Look at this, Marco. What's this? What is it?
Yeah? What? Nicholas, go back to you.
You don't wreck that. That's your appointment slip. Give me that. You're getting your second vaccination. You are? Yes. You're gonna get a needle, you poor baby. Give me that. Marco, look what I got for you.
What is it?
Oh, look. What is it? There's no fruit in it yet. But how sweet is that? Yeah, just give me some food now.
Yeah.
Now, there's food in it. Do you want it? Let's go outside. Marcus. Yay, she's asleep. Hi. Guys, look what I found. A dog wash. Okay. Canine True Blue. Izzy, you ready to get a wash?
Can Izzy will get washed in this?
Marco, look! It opens! Up! We'll see if
Look.
she can get up. Oh, that's cool. Marco, up! Up here, come on!
Look! Up here!
She's too small! Up here! What is it, Marco? She knows what it is. Look at these two balls of fluff in here. So cute, Marco. You are. She knows what's coming. It's a pup. They are so cute. You are. Izzy.
Can I help?
Look how cute they are. They're so cute. Aw, Izzy's like, what's going on? Aw, Marco. She's gonna be so scared when this happens.
Send her
Say
a...
hi, Izzy.
Ugh.
She looks like a rat.
Oh, she's so cute!
It's okay.
Wait, don't put it down. No, put it down. She's wet.
See, move your hand. She's alright. Alright, there we go. Alrighty, they just had their bath and they hated it. She's like, save me. It's so cute though. I'm sorry, Marco. But you're dry now. Look, you're nearly dry. Poor Izzy looks like a little rat.
I'm just gonna pick her up for the video.
She's dripping.
Ugh.
She looks creepy. Aftermath of the bath. Oh,
Stung
Mark was
fluffy at the
fun.
back already.
And Izzy's just like, what just happened? I love it.
She's still
Hey,
trying to shake off.
She is so fluffy. Are you so fluffy? Mocha, are you so fluffy? Bye. Till next time.